So what are the basic principles of additive manufacturing? So every additive manufacturing process involves adding of the material layer by layer. So in each layer, the additive manufacturing system or the machine will know what are the areas where material has to be added and what are the areas where material should not be added. So accordingly there will be proper controlling of the process to ensure minimal wastage of material. So the initial material can be in the form of a liquid, or it can be in the form of a powder, or it can be in the form of a solid. So whenever we say solid, it is other than the powder form, so that will be considered as a solid. So whenever we say liquid form, during the material addition, what is the phase of the material, that is what is being considered. So in this case, when the material is being added over the layer, it will be in the powder form. When the material is being added, it will be in the liquid form. So at the end of the manufacturing process, whether the initial phase is liquid phase or powder phase, finally it has to turn into a solid phase. So what are the different methods available? So we are having stereolithography, solid based curing, fused deposition modeling, ballistic particle manufacturing. So in all these cases, initially whenever you are adding the material, raw material is in the liquid phase. So the materials are photopolymers, polymers and wax. So basically you can use it for plastic components. Then you are having the supply in the form of powder. So you are having something called as 3D printing. Then you are having selective laser sintering. So here the raw materials can be ceramic, polymer, metal powder with binders, or ceramics, sand with binder. So all these methods are possible. The last one is the raw material in the solid phase. You are having laminated object manufacturing. So here usually the materials which can be manufactured are paper or polymers, and in some special cases you can even use ceramics also. So these are the basic classification or categorization of the additive manufacturing processes. There are several other ways depending on the source of energy that is being used and the phase transformations that are taking place. So based on that, classification also possible, but this is a more simpler form of classification using which we can categorize the various additive manufacturing processes.